So we gonna open the wig, sis. See, we gonna open the wig. Let me know. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, hi, hello. If you're not new, what's goody, what's poppin'? Welcome to the fam. So I'm gonna try something new. Not really, but kinda. So today is a wig review. Let me get my scissors. All right, so we're about to film a wig review. I haven't even opened it, honestly, which is why this wig is still on my head. So this is from ebonyline.com. This video is sponsored, but like always, all opinions are still my own. So this is from ebonyline.com. Today's wig review is on this beautiful thing right here. So this is the, I got the little paper, that's why I'm looking to the side. This is the Zury Sis synthetic sassy lively spirit lace part wig in the style sassy HMH boo. The color is FS 1B30. If y'all are not familiar with 1B30, it's kind of the brown coloring like my wig review from a long time ago, but I don't think it was ebony hair, ebony line. So this is 6-inch parting spaced, the side part. So we're gonna open it up and then I'm gonna come to y'all with my wig cap because we're trying to be a little different. All right, so I want to thank Ebony Line because we've been working together for a little minute. I appreciate you and your effort. So this is what she's looking like. I actually like this color, it's not bad. So per usual, there's 3 combs. There's 1 comb in the back. Can y'all see that? 1 comb in the back, 2 combs on the side. Let me zoom in. All right, 1 comb on the back, 2 combs on the side, just like this. Okay, and then a really deep part. This is 6 inches. And then of course it has the little straps that you can adjust in the back. So I'm gonna go put it on. And I'll be right back, okay? Be back. Boom. This, pros and cons, of course. Kind of gives me like work vibes, like old as fuck work vibes. But we're gonna see if we can brush it out because I don't really like uniform curls like this. But I didn't have to add any concealer to the part at all. Let's see. But I feel like with a little work, this could be a look. Another thing, I don't like my parts on this side. This is not my strong suited side. But once we brush these curls out, sis, I think we got a look for something. Okay, so let me zoom in. All right, so parting, as you can see, it is the 6 inches. I do have a wig cap on. So you would just have to run your fingers through it. But this is really honestly a grab and go wig. I probably would like it better if it was in all black, but it's workable. And I have all the combs in, but it's still sliding slightly. Okay, but look, so imagine it being short, like a bob. I'm not gonna cut it like that, but imagine it being a bob. Like, hold on, let me give y'all the visuals. So imagine it like right here. That would be a summer vibe. That would be cute. I could do that. And then if you could just get this side under control, because it keeps trying to go back to do that swoop thing, And that's kind of, oh, okay. You could work with it. It's workable. So it's just like real beachy beach curls. This will honestly be cute in all black, like a jet black, or even like a lighter blonde. I could rock with it. This is still cute though. So we're gonna brush. Use your fingers because it's really soft. So we're gonna use our fingers and pull the curls just a little bit. Take your brush. Cause I just don't like uniform curls on certain wigs. Like certain wigs, yeah, you could put some curls in it. But this one, okay. So this is what we're working with. Real beachy, like you get beach vibes from. This would be cute. If you even wanted to cut it like down to like right here, that would even be cute. And brush it back out. Alright, and this is what you're working with. I would rate this a 10. Cause I love the curls. Like I really do like this wig actually. They're just like real beachy summer vibe curls. All right, so this is what we're working with. It's flirty and cute. I give it that. But at the same time, this could also be an interview wig. Like if you need a wig, if you need a wig for a job interview and you want to look like, I don't want to say old school, but you want to look like you did something but you really didn't do anything, this would be like the perfect grab and go. And again, I didn't put any concealer on the part and the parting looks amazing. So yeah, this is what we're working with, y'all. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. This wig was priced at $30.95. So $30 wig, that's Sunday. So shipping is pretty quick. I've ordered from this company without being sponsored by them, and their shipping was still pretty quick in regards to wigs. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below. This is what she looks like. Like y'all, this is cute. She's like real girly and cute. I'm actually starting to like it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and I'll see y'all in my next one.